In this video, I will show how to convert English numbers to Arabic numbers in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, write your numbers. Now, select your numbers which you want to convert into Arabic or right click on this column. Then format cells, custom, remove general, dash, left bracket. So write left square bracket, then dollar sign, minus 2, triple zero, again triple zero. Now write bracket and 0. Then click on OK. So this way you can convert your numbers into Arabic. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.